Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to build Python GUI applications on Linux. To work with the Python GUI object, you need to have Python installed. Most of today's Linux distributions come with Python pre-installed, but you can confirm this by running the following command. Now, you need to install the Python GUI object bindings for Python and GTK development libraries. Once Python and GTK development libraries are installed, you can install the Python GUI object using the following command. After installation, you're ready to start developing GUI applications using the Python GUI object and GTK. Now, let's build a simple Python GUI object application that displays a window with a button. Create a Python file, and let's start writing the basic structure of our Python GUI object application. To run the application, navigate to the directory where you save the Python file and run the following command. When the button is clicked, it will display a message saying, "Hello, world." Let's now expand our application by adding more widgets and interactivity.